Tesla is counting on proven Giga Berlin tactic for phase 2 expansion at Giga Berlin. According to information from Brandenburg authorities, Tesla plans to apply for the expansion phase 2 of Giga Berlin electric car factory. Since the processing of this application is likely to take several years, Tesla is counting on being able to build the same way it built Giga Berlin, with partial permits beforehand. So Tesla plans to submit several applications for the expansion of its German gigafactory in the coming months. RBB, Brandenburg Public Radio, reported based on information obtained from official circles. The State Environment Protection Agency is expecting the first application for approval this week. It will concern the waste processing plant, which is already built on the territory of Giga Berlin. It was built without a permit, so the authorities banned further use in September. So what happened? To be able to operate the facility again, this time Tesla must obtain retrospective approval, which will take at least 2 months to complete, according to RBB. And in the past, we have reported a lot from RBB. It's a reliable source. According to the information received, Tesla also wants to apply to expand the car factory. It is expected that the processing of the application will take several years, as is usually the case with large facilities in Germany. However, Tesla expects to be able to obtain a partial building permit in advance, as was the case with the construction of phase 1 of Giga Berlin. Remember, Tesla basically built the entire Giga Berlin electric car factory with partial preliminary approvals. If the factory produces more cars after the expansion, then it will also need more water, which is a fear for the local population, and I've reported a lot about that. The state plans to build additional waterworks in the Grünheide area of Hangelsburg, which should be ready by 2025. However, authorities speculate that Tesla could independently invest in wastewater treatment plants and reuse even more of its water, although there is no exact information on this issue yet. Last week, Tesla already cleared another hurdle to expanding its factory. On Thursday, the municipal council in Grünheide approved a change in the development plan. The company wants to create logistics zones and a service center as soon as possible, for which it is necessary to add another 100 hectares of land, which should be bought from the state of Brandenburg. It is expected that it will take about 1 year to complete the development plan, after which construction at Giga Berlin's phase 2 can start. Very interesting developments. The good news here is that Tesla Giga Berlin is expanding, which means Tesla is planning to produce more Model Y and other Tesla vehicles. Who knows, maybe a smaller version of Cybertruck for the European roads. This is why Tesla is probably planning to expand. Maybe Tesla wants to build and increase the capacity of Giga Berlin to about 1 million vehicles yearly versus 500,000. We'll see. What are your thoughts? In the meantime, please give us thumbs up if you like this report. This is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. Subscribe to our channel and share this report with your friends in social media. Tweet it out. I would greatly appreciate it. And I'll see you soon in our next report. God bless you, and I'll see you soon.